Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to download presentation from TOME AI. So TOME AI offers exporting presentations as PDFs, but only with a TOME Pro subscription. And here is how you download presentation from TOME AI. So first of all, log into tome.app. Now you will see a page that will look something like this. On this page, you'll have to simply navigate to the specific presentation that you want to export. For example, if I want to export this presentation, I will click on it and that presentation will open up on my screen. Now I have a list of options at the top right corner of my screen. So on this page, you'll have to look for the menu button in the top right corner of your TOME's screen. It is typically represented by this three-dotted icon or a gear icon. So click on this three-dotted icon. Now you'll see a list of options. Under these options, you will have to simply click on Export to PDF. And once you select the export option, TOME will process the request and provide you with a downloaded PDF file. So you can click on this option and now TOME will automatically export this if you have the Pro version. So as you can see, if you won't have TOME Pro, you will be promoted to this page where you can click on upgrade and choose your plan, complete the payment and export your TOME's presentation just by clicking on export to PDF. So that's how you download presentation from TOME AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.